This tutorial will show you how to make a logo or image appear with a digital wipe effect. Create a new project and composition. Hold down Ctrl and I to insert your image or logo. Pre-compose the logo. This will make it easier to swap out logos later. Add a new solid. We will name ours Matte. Apply the Roughen Edges effect to the matte layer. Set the border to 500 and the edge sharpness to 10. Alt and click Evolution to open the expression. Type time *50. Draw a mask on the matte layer like so. Open the mask in the timeline. We will now animate the mask using keyframes. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at about 3 seconds. At the second keyframe, move the path all the way across. Apply the mosaic effect. Set the horizontal blocks to 50 and the vertical blocks to 25. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Set the logo's track matte to the matte layer. This way, the logo appears within the range of the mask. The basic settings are now finished. Select both layers and hold Ctrl and D to duplicate them. Apply the fill effect to the copied logo layer and set the color to white. Pre-compose the two copied layers. We will name this effect's edit. Duplicate the pre-composed effects layer. Designate the copied top layer as Silhouette Alpha. Move the top copy back a few frames. This will make the effect more visible. You will see the effect only comes out in the center part. Select the bottom effect and apply the Minimax effect. Set the operation to minimum, channel to alpha and color, and radius set to 1. This helps clean up the edges. Select both effects layers and pre-compose to merge them together. We will name this effect's final. Set the effects mode to screen. Open the effects final layer. Now open the first layer. While holding the Tab button, drag the bottom timeline upwards to dock it. Make sure the original composition is open on the bottom timeline. Open both matte layers. Connect or link all the settings that we have changed: mask path, mask feather, and the rest. This will make it easier to change the values and look of the effect later, which I will show you at the end of the video. This is important to preset the project. When finished, close the top timeline panel. Apply the CC glass effect to the effects layer. Change the property to alpha, softness to 0.5, the height to -50, and the displacement to 200. Now apply the displacement map effect. Change the max horizontal displacement to 150. Copy the effect and change the max horizontal displacement to -220. Now apply the colorama effect to add color. Change the Add phase to the effect's final, the phase shift to 235, and make sure the Modify Alpha box is unchecked. Apply the Deep Glow effect to make this pop. Change the exposure to 0.5 and check Enable. You can change the color by adjusting the colorama phase shift, and changing the mosaic values can change the overall shape. Changing the mask path will change the direction of the effect. You can change the colors of the effect more easily using the Output Cycles preset palettes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.